So Patricia, what's the number one mistake people make with their words?
Being non-specific, and that comes from not thinking before you speak. Now, there's a difference between a conversation and a conversational presentation, because in conversation we have a conversation. There's no agenda. We go back and forth, so it's more normal to be non-specific, and by that I mean a bunch of, a ton of. It's a thing.
The word stuff?
Yeah, that makes me, of course, cringe, because especially when people finish a sentence and then say, and stuff, they really mean etc. In a presentation, you think in advance what you're going to say. And if you do any rehearsal and watch what you're going to say, then you can see and you can plan to be very specific. Now, the only way is going to find it easy to be specific on stage is to work on your everyday conversations, because most of our life is not the prepared, planned presentations. They are unplanned, quick opportunities to speak. They are running meetings. They are having important conversations or casual conversations at networking events. If you, and I recommend to my coaching clients, you record your side of conversations. If you're running a team meeting, just record it, because you will not improve what you're not aware of.
Yep.
And once you have an awareness, just get in the habit of restating. Say to your friends, your spouse, who will not criticize you unless you give them permission, and say, sweetheart, I'm working at being more specific. If I say thing, ask me specifically, what do you mean? If I say bunch, say, it's not fruit. How many do you mean? It's not a ton. You can't weigh it. How many are you talking about?